Hello everyone! My name is Azkia and
I'm Saima Maisan.
Today we are going to review a traditional Indonesian snack called rangginang. Yay!
Rangginang is a popular snack made from glutinous rice. It is dried under the sun and then fried until crispy. Today we have two flavors of rangginang, sweet and salty.
In this review, we will talk about the appearance, aroma, texture, taste, strength, weakness, and our overall opinion about the snacks.
First, let's talk about the appearance. The rangginang has a round shape and looks very attractive. The grains of glutinous rice are clearly visible and stick together nicely.
Yes, the sweet rangginang has a thin brown coating that makes it look delicious. Meanwhile, the salty rangginang has a golden color that comes from frying process.
I think both flavors look appetizing. The size is also suitable for a snack.
However, some parts are slightly darker than others, but overall the average is still very good.
Now let's move on the aroma. When I open the package, can immediately smell the fragrance of fried glutinous rice.
The sweet flavor has a pleasant sweet aroma that reminds me of caramel of brown sugars.
The salty flavor has a savory aroma that is stronger and more noticeable.
The aroma is not too strong, so it's comfortable and enjoyable.
Next, let's discuss the texture. Let's try it.
Wow, the first time I noticed in the crunches.
I agree, it is very crispy and makes a satisfying sound when we beat it.
The texture is light and not too hard. It's easy to chew and enjoyable to eat.
Another good thing is that it is not too oily even though it is fried.
However, some fish are slightly harder than others.
Yes, but overall the texture is still excellent.
Now, let's try the sweet flavor.
The sweetness is balanced and not overwhelming.
I like that it's sweet but not too sweet. It makes the snack enjoyable for many people.
The sweet coating blends well with the crispy texture of the rangginang.
The other taste is also pleasant and light.
For I think the sweet flavor could be a little stronger because some people may prefer a sweet taste.
That's true. Now let's try the salty flavor.
The salty flavor is richer and stronger.
Yes, it tastes savory and delicious.
I think this flavor is perfect for people who prefer savory snacks rather than sweet snacks.
The seasoning adds a lot of flavor and makes it more exciting to eat.
However, in some parts, the seasoning is not distributed evenly.
That's right. Some bites are more flavored than others.
If we compare both flavors, I personally prefer the salty flavor because it is more savory and flavorful.
Meanwhile, I prefer the sweet flavor because it's a lighter and unique.
Both flavors have their own advantages and can satisfy different preferences.
Now let's talk about the strengths of this product. First, it has a very crunchy texture.
Second, it is affordable and easy to find in many places.
Third is represent Indonesian traditional food and culture.
It is also suitable for people of all ages, from children to
As for the weakness, the seasoning could be distributed more evenly.
We highly recommend this snack to anyone try traditional Indonesian food.
Thank you for watching our review.
See you next time.
Goodbye and